Many people know what a press release is, but they don't know what a press kit is. A press kit is actually a package of a few items. You have your professional bio, which is one or two paragraphs about who you are and what you're doing, as well as your headshot and contact information. Then you have your press release, which is, information to the news media and general public about your offerings, whether it's about a professional accomplishment, your company, or a product release. And it also has your contact information. Now, if you're releasing a product, you want to have a tip sheet. For instance, for all my book releases, the tip sheet will have a cover of the book, information about the book, where customers can order the book. Also, in your press kit, you may want to include a digital business card, postcard, or in my case, a bookmark. And I said digital. Yeah, your press kit would be digital, but you would have a hard copy of your business card, postcard, or in my case, bookmark. So that's it for a press kit. And I'll be glad to assist you if you need to help this